If you're looking for a luxurious place to call home, Las Vegas is a perfect place. The city is home to some of the most prestigious and exclusive gated communities in the country, with homes ranging $2 million to the 8-figure mansions. Here are my top 5 most expensive neighborhoods that I would want to live in Las Vegas, and not in any particular order. So the first one is Ascaya in Henderson. It's one of the most desirable places to live in the United States, and Ascaya is at the forefront of that popularity. Located just minutes from the Las Vegas Strip, Ascaya is a luxury custom home development that offers residents incredible views, world-class amenities, and a sense of seclusion and privacy. With just over 300 lots, Ascaya is one of the most exclusive communities in Henderson, and it's located atop of a canyon ridge that provides residents with stunning views of the city below. In addition to its incredible location and sweeping views, Ascaya also offers residents a number of luxurious amenities, including a private club, fitness center, and tennis courts. There's a large swimming pool as well. Whether you're looking for a primary residence or a vacation home, Ascaya is sure to exceed your expectations. The next place is Spanish Hills. Is another perfect community for those who want to live in luxury in Las Vegas. With large lots, upscale amenities, and prime location, Spanish Hills has it all. The community is guard gated and provides security and tranquility within a beautiful niche of the Las Vegas region. The real estate market in Spanish Hills is comprised with multi-million-dollar houses that offer views of the cityscape, Las Vegas Strip, and Red Rock Canyon. Residents of Spanish Hills enjoy golf at the Spanish Trails Golf Club, and for active residents, there are 2 private communities only with swimming pools and tennis courts. If you're looking for a luxurious place to call home in Las Vegas, look no further. Spanish Hills is another option for you. If you're looking for breathtaking views and luxurious homes, then MacDonald Highlands is another neighborhood for you. Situated on more than 1,000 acres of desert landscape, MacDonald Highlands is one of the most desired neighborhoods in Las Vegas as well. Luxury homes there starts from around $4 million, and residents enjoy stunning views of the city skyline and nearby mountains. In addition to its incredible location, MacDonald Highlands has also offers a variety of amenities, including state-of-the-art fitness center. Whether you're looking for a place to call home or a vacation destination, MacDonald Highlands is sure to exceed your expectations. That I really like is the Estates at Southern Highlands. Is another perfect location in Las Vegas. The community is tucked away behind multiple guard gates, ensuring privacy and security for residents. The Southern Highlands Golf Course is one of the most exclusive golf private courses in Las Vegas, and the beautifully landscaped grounds create an oasis for homeowners to enjoy. The location is only 10 to 15 minutes from the Strip or the airport, making a convenient area for residents to get around town. Homes in the Estates at Southern Highlands are some of the most desirable in the valley, and there are always a few homes for sale. If you're looking for luxury living in Las Vegas, the Estates at Southern Highlands is the perfect place you can call home if you want to be in the middle of the valley. So last but not least, the Ridges is one of an important addition to the master plan community of Summerlin. As part of Summerlin, there's no question that the Ridges is an exclusive, luxurious, and prestigious enclave. The Ridges is an 800-acre community that is divided into numerous neighborhoods, each with its own unique flair. Whether you want stunning views of Las Vegas's amazing landscapes, or amazing views of the Las Vegas Strip, or beautiful views of world-class golf courses, the Ridges has it all. Anyone looking to purchase an upscale home in the Summerlin area should definitely check out what the Ridges has to offer. From incredible amenities to breathtaking views, the Ridges provides residents with a truly unparalleled lifestyle. If you're looking for an exclusive and luxurious place to call home, look no further. The Ridges is the place to be if you want to be on the west side of the valley. So tell me which of these neighborhoods are your favorite, or if you have another luxury neighborhood you rather like to mention, please comment below. If you like my real estate tips and things about Las Vegas, please like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching this video.